Hey everybody, welcome back to Smoke Red Barbecue's YouTube channel. We are doing something that I don't think...
Not me.
Yeah, oh, this is just for Daddy right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, just for Daddy. I don't think it's much the respect it's due. I'm talking about Mongolian grill style cooking. And we all have been to the restaurants where we pile up so much meat, and then so much meat and noodles in your bowl, and you let all that swim in a bunch of garlic, minced garlic, sherry, sesame oil, soy sauce, all of that stuff, and it's absolutely delicious. We're going to try to do that today. I emphasize the word try. I'm getting the Blackstone out, and we'll see how this works. No promises. We see if this younger sous chef has a different palate than the older sous chef. Yeah. So we'll see. Let's go and get to it. My wife did all of the work, all the prep work for it. So I'm going to take all of that credit for the chopping, slicing, mincing, and preparing for this, and I'll get all the reward and accolades how it looks on the grill. Hey, you want to wave in the camera? Good job. Good job. Go ahead. We have a delicious homemade Mongolian grill style dinner tonight. It was an easy cook because you just put the stuff on and it cooks. There's no real big techniques happening. Anyway, this stuff looks really good. I took a beautiful thumbnail. Hopefully it turns out the way it looks in person, on camera, on the thumbnail, and in the video. But I'm happy with how it turned out. I think the next time we want to do it all at once because it takes so long to cook. I think that also made it take even longer to cook because we had so much to cook for our family. If I could do it again, well, it might take individually longer to do smaller portions, so we could the Blackstone 2-burner Blackstone just could not keep up cooking the noodles, meat, vegetables, and everything else. So that was one downside to it, but I think, and all in all, it ended up working out. It's one thing to think about. But I'm gonna eat some beef and noodles. We'll be honest, it's cold because I took too long getting this thing all set up to take a bite. Taste-wise, it's pretty good. It was a little cold though. That's delicious. Compliments to my wife for putting all this together and making me the star of the channel to cook it on the Blackstone. I'm happy with it. I love to do this again, but it's a lot of production to get it to work right. But otherwise, I am pleasantly not surprised, I guess pleased with the cook and with the dinner. We have a lot more food inside, and I fully intend to eat it all, even if it makes me sick. Oh, we have intruder. Well, I'll keep eating here, and then I'll just leave you here hanging. Oh my gosh, you got a new cracker. We really appreciate you guys coming by and watching what we're doing here at Smoke Red Barbecue. This is so much fun to do with the family. Even if they're not on camera, they're still getting to enjoy everything that we're doing. Everything I'm putting down, they're picking up. Let's just say that. Appreciate you guys watching. We have a like button. If you could not just hit it, but maybe smash it 3 times if you super like this video. And there is a bell probably somewhere too. I don't understand how bells work because whenever I click bells, it never rings for me. And videos I want to watch, I never know about until weeks after. But apparently there's a bell somewhere. And if you want to see videos I have done in the past and in the future, you can also subscribe to the channel too, which I would really appreciate because our channel is just so big and doing so well. But we're still doing it no matter how low the interaction rate is, because this is just too much fun not to do. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and I just want to say thank you and have a great rest of your day. Keep barbecuing America. Cheers. Hey, baby.
The doggy.
That's a doggy.
Did you want?
Cheers.